Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Last Trump Card, Chapter 5. So here it is. Let's read the story. How about it? Do you dare to come right now? She was holding a bag. It seems that the bag has full of money on it. Well, what do you think? What is she going to do? Why silently she brings some a lot of cash? She was throwing a bag full of money and said, "Come on, who's afraid who? I've brought the money here, 200,000." So she was carrying a lot of money on her back. There are 300,000 in the cart. It's just the money. I'm not short of money. The girl said to her. Well, it really makes sense. She was carrying 500,000, but the girl, she was smiling and kept staring on hers. Could it be that those money are not enough for her? Well, we can really wait to see. Miss San, 500 is just a threshold to enter our company. You don't really think that with this little money you're qualified to play against me. Now, the girl, she continued to tease her. What's the meaning? Don't you ask me to come here? Well, she was surprised. It seems that that money is not really enough to play in the games right now. And it really makes sense. Or are you afraid? Are you afraid of losing to me? Now, she continued to tease Miss Mo. We can really wait to see how this goes well. Miss Mo said, afraid? Well, it seems that she was not really afraid of, or she is not afraid of everyone, but Miss Mo. She continued to tease her. Well, suddenly she was laughing. Ha ha ha. Now, looking at the situation, it seems that the two of them are really in shock. Why suddenly Miss Mo is laughing at the two of them? I think you may have misunderstood. 500,000 is just the qualifications to enter my casino. But if you want to play against me, this amount of money doesn't seem to be enough. Well, how much do you want? Since she is really becoming agitated. Look at her. She was screaming, and she wanted to ask how much she needed. Miss Moose said, not much. 500 for chip, minimum capital of 20 chips. That's 10 million. Miss Moose said to them. Now, this is crazy. 10 million. It's a really big money for the two of them. They only have a 500,000 and 10 million. It's really getting too far and beyond the league. Well, it seems that it was not really easy. Kexin, what should we do? A few 100,000 is fine with my dad, but 10 million is he'll be definitely going to punish me to death. Well, 10 million is 10 million. It is true that as long as you have 10 million, you can game. Well, with me, now, it seems that this is really hard for them, so Miss Han has figured out a solution to the problem. I'll tell you the truth, on the 15th of every month, there's a gambling game only for VIPs. The minimum bet requirements is 10 million and I will be the banker. Now, it seems to be, it was really interesting for the two of them. So as long as you have the 10 million, how could I refuse you? Miss Moose said to her. Kexin, she seems to be surprised. Okay, give your word. 10 million, right? I'll win 10 million and show it to you. Well, Kexin, she was really desperate. Well, how can she get those 10 million? Kexin, you don't mean to win 10 million in this casino. Believe me. Now, it's only way. There's no other way. Kexin, she was really persuasive. By the way, the odds for the other bets are too small. Do you have anything more exciting? Kexen, she was asking Miss Moo about this. Oh, roughly. Miss Moo, she was laughing. You are indeed the one I like. Since Miss Han has spoken, how can I let you down? You can take a break and have some fun in the casino and make some preparation. I will ask someone to be with you. Now, this makes sense. Miss Moo, she seems to be wanting to tease her so much, but Miss Mo. Maybe she has some plans for them. After speaking to Miss Mo, Kexin and her friend, the persons look like he has a bad intentions. I'm a little worried. What if she's going to cheat it? Well, her friend said cheating just because of he spoke in sarcastic tone. Anyway, cheating is allowed here. If they can do it, why can't we? Now, Kexin, she was really sure about her talent. You must understand that I'm the daughter of the Queen of Stratagems. Well, it seems that she is really sure that she can really win this game. Now, when my mother was traveling around the world, she was still a fertilized egg. Well, she was right about this. Her mother, it's like a queen in this sight. How could she speak? Well, everything has to learn for his mother, and her mother is now suffering. That's why she really wanted to help her. Kexin, hey, since you're so confident, I will let you go, her friend said to her. Now, it seems that everything will going to work well. Well, let's wait and see. Don't worry. When it comes to cheating, there are few people in the world who can rival me. Now, her friend, it seems to be, you're trusting so much about her. Well, Kexin, I'm going to the bathroom. Please wait for me. I'll be back soon. Her friend is leaving and said, Go, come back soon. I'll be waiting for you here. Kexin. Finally, her friend was going to the bathroom. Well, when she opened the door and she was going around, it seems that her friend suddenly stopped. Could it be that there's something? When she was trying to open the door, she was surprised. Well, why suddenly she seems to be in shock? Could it be that there's something happening to them? That's why she was forced. It turns out there's a girl. She seems to be surprised. She's been tied up in the bathroom. Well, could it be that someone is punishing her? This is really surprising and also scary. Hey, isn't this our lovely tall lady? Someone was speaking behind her. Could it be that the person is the one who's intended to do this or punishing this girl? When she looked back, there's a girl. She looks really beautiful, but also he looks really sarcastic. Well, this girl, it seems to be a troublemaker. She continued to tease her, and she was shouting on her. Well, let's solve this new character can give us more thrilling scene in the future. I didn't expect you to come to a place like this, the girl said to her. Probably the two of them know each other, that's why she's been surprised seeing this girl in front of her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!